This video will show you how to assemble executive adjustable height desks. This video walks through the assembly of a 72 by 36-inch desk with a bow front top. While you may have a different size or type of executive adjustable height desk, steps to assemble it are similar. Here are the tools needed for assembly. Note: assemble the desk on a smooth, non-marring surface to prevent scratching. Remove the pre-attached handles from the inside of the pedestal files. Then reattach the handles to the outside of the pedestal files. With two people, carefully place pedestals on their side with the cutout facing up, and install 4 adjustable glides into each pedestal. Attach the lifting columns to the center frames. Insert each lifting column into each pedestal file. Secure the flat bracket to the end of the lifting column through the bottom of the pedestal. Then secure the flat bracket to the pedestal. Repeat the steps for the other pedestal. With a second person, place each pedestal upright. Install cam lock pins into each pedestal. Insert the telescoping support bars into one end of the center frame. Install cam locks into the modesty panel. With a second person, attach the modesty panel between the pedestals and tighten the cam locks. Slide the telescoping support bars into the opposite end of the center frame. Attach the top support brackets to the center frame. Connect the power cord, programmable handset, and lifting column cables to the control box using the extension wire to connect one of the lifting column's cables. Plug in the power cord and press the up arrow to raise the frame to its tallest height. Place the hanging modesty panel on a smooth, non-marring surface. Install the modesty panel brackets using the bolts. With a second person, place the desktop upside down. Attach the hanging modesty panel to the desktop. With a second person, carefully place the desktop on top of the adjustable height frame. The hanging modesty panel should rest inside of the lower modesty panel. Attach the adjustable height frame and handset to the desktop. Attach the cable management tray. Attach rubber pads into the pre-drilled holes underneath the desktop, above each pedestal, using screws. Attach cable clips to the desired location to neatly organize cables underneath the desktop. Cable clips can be attached using an adhesive or screws. Position the desk near a desired location where there are no obstacles in the desk's height adjustment path, and the desk will not touch any walls. The executive adjustable height desk is now completely assembled. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.